Google Pixel 6. So this is the base model variant of Google Pixel 6 series, and this mobile comes with a 6.4 inches of 190 Hz refresh rate, full HD plus resolution, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protected display, and it is also a HDR10 plus certified display. From this Google Pixel 6 series, Google mobiles are going to come with their own chips. Those are called Google Tensor chips. Yes, this Google Pixel 6 mobile comes with a Tensor chip, which is a 5nm based 5G octa-core processor. Yeah, this mobile comes with almost 4 bands of 5G. Yeah, 4 bands. And this mobile comes with two variants. Those are 8GB RAM 128 and also 8GB RAM 256 with no external memory. These are UFS 3.1 storage capacities. Along with the LPDDR5 RAM types. And this mobile comes with a dual camera setup at the back side, where you can find 50 megapixels of main wide angle and a 12 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. And that 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera also comes with a OIS, optical image stabilization. For the front, it comes with a 12 megapixels of wide angle selfie camera. And when you talk about the battery, it also comes with a bigger battery, that is a 4300 milliamp hours of battery, and it supports 4300 milliamp hours of battery, and it supports 35 watts of fast charge through wire and 27 watts of fast charge through wirelessly, and it will also reverse wireless charge other mobiles up to 4.5 watts. So these are the major important features of this mobile. Apart from those features, this mobile comes with a total metal and glass build, back and front metal and sides metal. Apart from those features, this mobile also comes with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 features. This mobile runs on Android version 12, pure Android version 12, no custom UI. And this mobile also comes with a stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack. And this mobile also comes with a charger cable and also a TP case included in the box of this mobile. So yeah, that's a plus point. A lot of brands removing those things in the mobile boxes nowadays. So yeah, these are the features of this mobile, and it also comes with a fingerprint scanner also. And this mobile price will be around 63 to 64,000 rupees starting price, and this mobile will be available in black, red and blue colors. So yeah, I'm also giving a link to buy this mobile in the description box down below, so you can directly buy it from there.